Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you fix your Snapchat device ban where you get this message in front of you on the screen when you try to log into Snapchat, in this video, I'll show you some methods on how can you fix it very easily and very clearly. Now first, to make sure this Snapchat application is not the problem here, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Simply search for Snapchat as you can see here guys. And again, make sure you have the app updated to the latest version to wipe out any doubt that the app is the problem here. After that, I can finally quit from here. And the second thing you can do is to go ahead and open your settings on your device. It works both ways. Go ahead and search for VPN in the search bar at the top right here. You should find VPN. Go ahead and tap on it and just make sure you have no VPN turned on your device, because VPN makes you appear in different locations all the time, and that'd be a problem to Snapchat, so make sure you turn off the VPN. The last step is to go to your browser and Google Snapchat support and open the first website right here. It should look like this. Go ahead and tap on "My account is compromised." You'll be taken to this screen right here. Just wait for it to fully load up. It's going to take some seconds, and here make sure the first one is "I can't access my account," and the second one is "My account is locked." Go ahead and tap on it and scroll down. You find under "My account has been temporarily locked," you find this little sort of a button that says "Go here." Go ahead and tap on it, wait for it to load up and tap on "Unlock my account" right here, and you'll be taken to this last step. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.